Hey y'all, Alyssa. I'd like to talk about Class Dojo and how um, it's geared more for parents and kids, but I am choosing to talk more about parents and how I would like to use it for my class's communication so that I can communicate with parents and they can see where we're at and what we're doing. It's really cool. It's just a free app that you can download, and you can go in and create your class list and whatnot. And within the app, you can share pictures. So you could take a picture of your class schedule and share it. You can share pictures of the children throughout the day and share important reminders and events, and it can be set up to notify them. So like class pictures, class parties, no school days, anything that you need parents to remember. And it is for standards, for my ISTE standards, 3.3D and 2.5A for designer and empowering leadership. So it helps promote learning and different styles of notifications, and underneath leader it can be for 2.2, more specifically 2.2A, and that encompasses like their team of teachers. You know, if they're in special, like with their special teachers and whatnot, you can bring them in on it. And then I really like how you can do class points, and so you can keep track of kids as individual points. So if they're earning towards a goal, or they're trying to meet behavioral goals, it's a really good visual reminder for those kiddos, and they can see where they're at. And then you can keep, if you do class points for classroom behavior and classroom management, once they get X amount, so that it would take the total of each individual student's points that have been assigned to them, and then it mushes them all together for the class. And so, say you want to get to 2,000, and then they get to have a pajama movie day. Obviously, you want to watch movies all day, but that could be a reward. And it allows for a little bit of creative expression because they can go in and edit their little monsters. It gives them a little monster avatar that they can customize to their liking.